Hey guys, TechLife here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Buds. I got these on Amazon for £116. I will leave an affiliate link down in the description for you to check them out. But yeah, here they are. This is the black version. Just looking at the package, here you can see some information about them. 6 hours playtime, clear call quality, wireless charging, and designed for comfort and stability. Okay, so at the top of the package we have the Buds case with the Buds inside, and also this little pocket with accessories. Inside this we have a USB-C cable. It's pretty long, and we also have some ear wings and ear tips. Let's take a close look at the case here. It says Samsung Sound by AKG, the flat bottom, and a USB-C charging port on the back. So flipping it open, pretty easy to open. We have the Buds themselves and an LED with the left and right indicator. So if you take one out, here you can see the charging contact. You also see the microphone and the touch sensor. So just peel off the sticker here, and there is one of the Buds. Putting it back in the case is pretty easy. Just drop it back in and close up again. Pretty nice snap there. There we go. So I will get them paired up and I will show you my initial thoughts. For now, because I want them to charge quickly, I will plug them in to my USB-C cable. As you can see, there's the charging indicator to show how much battery they have left. So I will just flip open the case and you can see the inside indicator is on. It shows that it's charging the Buds. And it says Galaxy Buds. A new device has been detected, and you just click connect. You just allow some permissions, and the app starts up. So, what are my initial thoughts? So far, I really enjoy them. They sound good, they pair quickly, they're comfy. I can't quite sleep on my side with them on because they're a bit bulky, but they fit fine. I did swap out for a different size of ear tips because my ears are slightly bigger than the standard ones that they had on them, but they're really great so far. I find the integration seamless. I like the quick ambient mode when you hold down, the voice assistants. Yeah, it's been great so far, so I definitely recommend them if you own a Samsung phone, or if you do have an iPhone, then I would recommend AirPods because of the integration, of course. But I mean, I'm not an AirPods user, I haven't had them, so I wouldn't really know. But still, I mean, I'd definitely check them out. Especially, I think they're on sale at the moment, so check them out. That's going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, please smash the like button, comment what you want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.